So as a professional woodworker, we always like to have a lot of blades on stock. This is for framing, but I use it to cut rub tops, whatever I need it for at the job site. And especially it has a small adapter for your skill saw. You can remove it or keep it. Keep in mind, they're not meant for every skill saw. For the smaller ones, you need a smaller blade. And this is a 24 tooth, usually used on most common skill saws. This blade is usually used for harder lumber because it's only a 24 tooth, and you can find the same brand with a finer teeth cutting for your really clean cuts, because this is just for rough cutting wood.
Okay.
So as you see, this type of skill saw does have this lock, and you can also use it like this, but for better security, it's always good to remove this part. So as you see, I already changed the blade, and when you install your blade, make sure you put it the correct way. Like on this skill saw, it has an arrow, the way the teeth's supposed to be, because a lot of the times on table saws, we put it with the letters facing out towards the where we tie it up. But in this case, this type of skill saw, it has an arrow where the teeth's supposed to go. So as you see, with a brand new blade, when you make a cut, the cut leaves it really clean when it's brand new. As you see, almost like a finish.